Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make rainbow glitter Play-Doh using our favorite no cream of tartar Play-Doh recipe. I also have a free printable for you that you can download to remember the recipe because this one is definitely a keeper. Let's get into the video. A while back I did a video testing all of the most popular no cream of tartar Play-Doh recipes, and this one was our favorite. I've used the recipe for the dough, which comes from Fun Learning for Kids, and then added some color and sparkle, and I'm sharing that recipe with you here today. I have changed the original dough recipe a little. I wanted to quarter the recipe since I'm making so many colors, but then I was left with 3/4 teaspoon measurements, and I figured no one wants to try and measure that out, so I just rounded up to make it easier. Quartering the recipe did make it a little more finicky dough, so if you are just making 1 or 2 colors, I'd say use her original dough recipe, which I put in the description box, and then just add more glitter and food coloring. To make this Play-Doh, you will need all-purpose flour, salt, water, lemon juice, vegetable oil, food coloring, and glitter. The glitter I'm using is the Horizon Group brand. I purchased it from Walmart, but in case you prefer to order it online, I've put a link in the description box below. This is a no cream of tartar recipe, but you do have to cook it, so you will need a pot as well. To your pot, add 3 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of salt. For the food coloring, here are the measurements for all of the colors. I'm using the Wilton Colorate food coloring. It is my absolute favorite. I'll have a link to it in the description box below. For the green and the purple, when you're adding the blue, you just need to add a tiny bit to the end of a toothpick. It's a very concentrated color, so 1 whole drop will be way too much. Once you have added the food coloring, you can add your packet of glitter and put it on the stovetop at medium heat. You want the liquid to get hot, but not boiling, especially when you're quartering the recipe like I am. If you let it get to a boil, your water will start to evaporate and your dough will be too dry. Once your liquid is hot, you can add in a 1/4 cup of flour and stir. I stir until everything has mixed, and then I take it off the heat and pour it onto a plate to cool. Now, I know this looks like a crumbled mess, but trust me, it is going to turn into super soft, squishy Play-Doh soon. Once it has cooled down enough to touch, I begin kneading it by hand. I knead it for about 1.5 minutes, and then it's good to go. I am storing my Play-Doh in these containers that I found at the dollar store. They are just the right size for this amount of Play-Doh. And there you go, beautiful rainbow glitter Play-Doh. If you'd like to download the recipe, I've put a link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!